Well, welcome back for another vlog. Today we're off to the Calne Bike Meet. It's the 25th anniversary meet, and it's one of the biggest gatherings, I think, in the UK. So let's see what it has to offer. Not been for quite a few years. I think the last time I went actually was 2006, something like that. So it'd be interesting, see what it's grown into.
Welcome to Dicky Mint Cycles.
There goes Dicky Mint. Just entering Avery now. You've seen Avery many a times on the channel. It's one of our places to go for breakfast. A few guys waiting for others, I think, on their way to Calne. 500 Rebel, like marks behind us. There's always people at Avery, no matter what time of year you come, what time of day, there'll always be somebody at Avery. And there's Unhinged, our breakfast haunt. The last time I attended Calne Bike Meet, as I said, was about 2006, and when we were going home, in the rain, there was standing water, the height of curbstones. Terrible. Hopefully this little shower will pass. The fuel gauge on this bike really has got a mind of its own. I started off today with almost a full tank, according to the gauge, and I've not gone very far at all. Well, I think we must be early, because last time I come, I was queuing all the way through here. Still, at least we should get parked nice and easy. Oh, there we go. If you see a Mr. Whippy van, you know you've made it to a festival or an event in the UK. Yeah, I'll go in a bit further, I think.
I'll follow you.
Okay. Thank you. Well, there we are.
Yeah, here we are. Oh, Lord. I tell you what, I'm not holding my breath as to whether we see him again.
I know.
I can see Colin.
You've got vintage bikes, haven't
Yeah.
you? You're pretty mechanical, are you?
I wouldn't say that. I can get by, I guess.
No, see, I can't get by.
You need to get yourself a Bantam, I reckon.
Do you know what? If I did, that's what I would get.
Yeah. Just have a. What's the worst can happen?
Yeah.
This is the Royal Enfield stand.
Start open it up, you wind it on past sort of 4,000 or 5,000 RPM, but it's really starts barking around.
There's a couple of old post office Bantams. Very nice to see. It's the problem with these type of events. You've always got to carry a helmet. What a beautiful Harley. Really nice. Still the bikes are coming in. There's every single make, model, style of bike here today. Just spotted a little Honda Cub. It's absolutely mint. Lovely machine. How many miles is this one done? 4,000 miles. Obviously this is the modern version. It's going to be interesting getting out of here. We're out. It's nice to get back on the bike actually, it's really muggy today. So it was Calne Bike Meet. I didn't film that much. There was loads of people, made it quite difficult. But I'm sure you got a flavour for what it's all about. So, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.